Student, hope you will be fine. Yesterday we have discussed about the paint and draw tools. Today we will discuss about the sound editing tools. Now we can say that these tools are used to integrate sound into multimedia project very easily. It means we can say that with the help of these tools we can combine or mix sound in our multimedia project. Now with the help of these tools we can cut, copy, paste and edit segments of a sound file by using these tools. So we can say that with the help of this we can take part of a sound file and we can cut, copy, paste and edit that part. Now the presence of sound greatly enhances the effect of a mostly graphic presentation, especially in a video. Now examples of sound editing software tools are Cool Edit Pro, we have SoundForge, we have Pro Tools, etc. Now these softwares has following features. The following features of these softwares include with the radio or other sound player. So with the help of this we can record sound from CD, DVD, radio or any other sound player. Now record sound from CD, radio or other sound player. So with the help of this we can record sound from CD, DVD, radio or any other sound player. Now these softwares we can edit, mix the sound with any other audio, etc. Now these softwares gives us to apply special effects such as we can fade a video, we have equalizer, we can give echo effects, reverse, and more. Now, sound editing tools lets the programmer hear the sound as well as the sound can be visualized. Now, sound editing tools provide integration in a multimedia project very easily and accurately. Now, we can say that the sound editing tools, these sound editing tools can be can be implemented completely or partially as a library, as a computer application, or as a web application. So these sound editing tools are widely used in a multimedia application. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.